Fix in 5. P0466. EVAP Purge Flow Sensor Circuit Range/Performance Problem. Purge Control. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. You can keep driving, for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, CL, illuminated, rough idle or unstable engine operation, difficulty starting the vehicle, noticeable increase in fuel consumption, strong fuel smell near the vehicle or fuel tank area. Now the most likely causes. Faulty purge flow sensor. Damaged or degraded purge control solenoid valve. Or corroded wiring/connectors in purge circuit. Clogged or blocked fuel vapor hose. Fuel charcoal canister malfunction or saturation. How to fix it. Replace purge flow sensor with OEM or equivalent quality part. Clean or replace purge control solenoid valve. Repair or replace damaged wiring and reconnect loose connectors in purge circuit. Clear any blockages in fuel vapor hoses. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45.95 doing it yourself, or €165.215 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0466? Short trips may be possible with P0466 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Gets cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0466. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.